Hello students, welcome to my channel Science No Problem. My name is Tish Kumar Sharma and I am teaching you science. So my dear students, like our previous videos, this video is also going to be very informative and very useful. So please watch the video till end. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel to support and motivate me so as to bring you much more informative and much more useful videos in future also. So my dear students, without wasting any time, let's start our today's video. So my dear students, for last couple of videos, we were actually studying how to balance a given chemical equation. So we will continue balancing given chemical equation today also. So my dear students, let's take this is question which I have taken from your NCERT textbook. This is question number 6 of NCERT textbook. So question is balance the following chemical equations. So first chemical equations is HNO3, that is nitric acid plus calcium hydroxide CaOH twice is equal to calcium nitrate plus water. So my dear students, these are equations which we have to balance. So solution, first part, HNO3 plus calcium hydroxide is equal to calcium nitrate plus water. So my dear students, in previous videos, couple of videos, we have actually balanced a given chemical equation which was not given in the forms of its formulas. So we had actually first converted the given chemical reaction into formulas, then we balanced that. But in this particular question, actually chemical equations are given in terms of formulas and symbols. So now we will balance these chemical equations. So my dear students, as I had already told you that actually there is no hard and fast rule to balance a given chemical equation. So my dear students, it is the practice only which is the solution for actually learning to balance chemical equations. The more you practice, the more you learn to balance these chemical equations. Therefore, the only tool with you is to practice balancing chemical equations. So my dear students, actually there are some general steps which I had already told you. So today also I am telling you these general steps. And if you are new to watch this video, then please watch our previous videos also. In our previous videos, I have discussed how to write chemical formulas, how to convert chemical given reactions into chemical equations in terms of formulas. So all these things I have taught in our previous videos. So my dear students, I was actually telling you the general steps to balance a chemical equation. So first step is you start balancing from metal atoms in the given chemical equation, and then you balance non-metal atoms, and my dear students, oxygen and hydrogen. Particularly it is the oxygen which we actually balance at the end. So please keep these steps in your brain, mind, and then balance the given equation. So now we have this equation, so let's balance this. So first of all, we will identify metal atom. Metal atom is calcium here. And you can see that in reactants and products, there is one atom of calcium. So calcium is balanced already. Now come at nitrogen. We have one nitrogen atom in actually nitrate. Let's actually identify this group, nitrate, HNO3. sorry, NO3 nitrate. Here nitrate, we have two groups of nitrates. So we will multiply this by 2, because nitrate is 2 here, and here we have 1 nitrate. So we have to multiply this by 2. Now nitrate is also balanced. Now come at hydrogen. Now here, how many hydrogens are there? 2 hydrogen here and 2 hydrogen here. So 2 plus 2, 4 hydrogens. And here we have, there is no hydrogen in this compound, and there is 2 hydrogens. So we will multiply this by 2. So we have now 4 hydrogens in the products also. So hydrogen also got balanced. Then we have finally oxygen. 3 to the 6 oxygen atoms here. 6 plus 2, 8. 2 oxygen here. So 6 plus 2, 8. And here how many oxygen we have? 3 to the 6 and 2. So 6 plus 2, 8. So oxygen is also balanced. So now, my dear students, this is balanced chemical equation. Now let's take second chemical equation. B part, sodium hydroxide plus H2SO4 sulfuric acid is equal to Na2SO4 sodium sulfate plus water. Now again, my dear students, first of all we will balance metal atom. Metal atom here is sodium. So here we have, in products we have 2 atoms of sodium. In reactant we have 1 atom of sodium. So we will multiply this by 2. So sodium got balanced. Now we have sulfate group. 1 sulfate group here, and here also 1 sulfate. So sulfate is balanced. Now my dear students, come at hydrogen. So how many hydrogens are there? 2 hydrogens plus 2 hydrogen here. 4 hydrogens. And how many hydrogens here? 2. So multiply this by 2. So hydrogen is also balanced. Sulfate is balanced, sodium is balanced, hydrogens are also balanced. Now oxygen is left. How many oxygens are there? 2 oxygens plus 4. 2 plus 4, 6 oxygens in reactants. And 4 oxygen atoms plus 2 oxygen atoms. So 4 plus 2, 6. So in products also we have 6 oxygen atoms. So oxygen is also balanced. So my dear students, this equation is balanced. So again, let me tell you, my dear students, it is the practice. You practice balancing chemical equations, practice hundreds of chemical equations, and see the result, how efficient you will become to balance any chemical equation. Now C part, sodium chloride NaCl plus silver nitrate is equal to sodium nitrate plus silver chloride. Again, my dear students, first of all we will balance metal atoms. So let's balance sodium. There are 2 metal atoms, silver and sodium. So sodium, 1 atom of sodium and 1 atom in reactants, and 1 atom of sodium is in products. So sodium is balanced. Then silver, 1 atom of silver in reactants and 1 atom of silver in products also. So silver is also balanced. Then nitrate group. So 1 nitrate group in reactants and 1 in products. So nitrate is also balanced. Then chlorine, 1 chlorine atom in reactants and 1 chlorine atom in products. So chlorine is also balanced. So my dear students, this equation is already balanced. It is already balanced. So no need to balance this. So then come at fourth equation, barium chloride plus sulfuric acid H2SO4 is equal to barium sulfate plus HCl, hydrochloric acid. So again here we have barium atom, which is metal. So barium is already balanced. Then we will balance sulfate group. One sulfate, one sulfate. Sulfate is also balanced. Then chlorine, two chlorine atoms in reactants and one chlorine atom in products. So multiply this by 2 so as chlorine is also balanced. So chlorine is balanced. Then we have, now what is left? So everything is clear. So now this is balanced chemical equation. So my dear student, this is how to balance a given chemical equation. So through many, I have given you some examples, not many examples I have given, but I have taught you the main line of action of balancing a chemical equation. So please follow these rules. General rule I have told you once again, let me tell. Firstly, you balance metal atoms, then non-metal atoms, and finally hydrogen and oxygen. And particularly, it is oxygen which you balance at the end. So these are the common steps, and the method is only to balance maximum number of equations. So this is the method to balance a chemical equation. So let me give you some equations, couples of equations for practice. So my dear students, it is the practice which makes a man perfect. So practice balancing chemical equations and you will become in a short time efficient in balancing a chemical equation. So I am giving you questions. Practice. Balance these equations. Balance. A part is iron sulfate heat Fe2O3 plus SO2 plus SO3. B part is Pb NO3 twice. Heat, it decomposes into lead oxide plus NO2 plus O2. So NO2 plus O2. So these are the two equations. This is question number 1. Another question I am giving you. Write balanced chemical equations for number 1 photosynthesis, number 2 respiration. You know very well, my dear students, photosynthesis and respiration are actually chemical reactions. So you have to write the actually equations involved and you have to balance them. So these are questions for you for practice. So my dear students, this is our today's video, and we have finished this chapter number 1 of chemistry, chemical equations and chemical reactions and chemical equations. So my dear students, this is all for today. So if you have any doubt, then please write in comment box, and if you like our video, then please like, share and subscribe our channel. And thank you very much for watching this video. And now my dear students, the next chapter which we will start is carbon and its compounds. So my dear students, keep watching our channel, keep learning and keep growing. So thank you very much.